Hello guys, my name is Broly, legendary Super Saiyan, supposedly. Um, I just mumbled right there. Um, Hi, I said my name. Um, this video is for, to help you guys with the Curse Launcher, or just for more information. Um, I'm sure you guys have played Minecraft and modern Minecraft, and you have all probably most of the time there are mod packs that you want, but you need to download all these different launchers for your mod pack to be downloaded or in order for you to play. I found about this new launcher called the Curse Launcher. It's a Minecraft Curse Launcher. But basically, um, I'm just gonna show you how to download it, where you could go to download it, and yeah. So let me just tap out and yeah. All right, you guys. I'm sorry I was interrupted right now, but um, basically you start with going to uh, your browser. I'm using Google Chrome, so yeah. You go to you could just look up. I'm sorry. Um, Minecraft. Minecraft Curse Launcher. Right. And you click the first one, and it should take you to right here. Once you're done, you download it, and it should show you. Um, it should open up a launcher. Let me log off of this one. Alright, so we're back. It's gonna log you in like this. Alright. It's gonna show this up, and right here, both of these are gonna be blank, and this is part can be checked out. But basically, it just needs your username right here, and then your password right here. I use my email because I can't really remember my username sometimes. So I'm gonna log in to the launcher. Log in, right? And it's gonna just come up to this right here. I already had mine, so yeah, it's gonna show you this, and I'm just gonna show you the functions, basic functions of this launcher. So it has home, which I haven't played with these, but I guess you could start just checking that out. Um, so okay, here's your Minecraft tab, where you're gonna have you're not gonna have all of these. You're just gonna have this little box that says browse mod packs and custom profile, right? So, and then this is just for chatting. If you have friends, you can chat with people. Um, you could also go to settings, and uh, you can change the language. There's a lot of things that this thing allows you to do. Um, like voice. Here's from my mic. Um, Notifications. I have one notification. It's just right here. Mine is my graphics card is kind of uh, not updated. In-game settings, this allows you to allocate more RAM. So right here, maximum memory allocation, you can allocate more RAM. You can use the desktop resolution. You can do a lot of things with this launcher. So once you're done with changing all your settings, you press done, and it's gonna bring you back here. Now you could go here or here to browse through mod packs. This just brings you all the mod packs that are available in the Curse Launcher, and these are the mod packs available in the Curse Launcher from Feed the Beast. You could go here or here. I usually go here. It's the same thing. So right here, there. This is just to go back, refresh. You know, the basic stuff. Alright, so I'm gonna show you most of these tabs. So right here, here's your search bar. If you know the name of the mod pack, you can search it up. Let's say Agrarian Skies. There's Agrarian Skies 2 and Agrarian Skies 1. So yeah, you can search up mod packs. You can search them by category. So whatever you like, it shows right here: mini games, map based, magic mod packs. There's a lot. You can sort as well, like sort by featured mod packs, by the most popular, last updated, by name, by downloads. Right. So you can click on any mod pack, and it's basically gonna give you an overview. It's gonna show you change logs and versions, the different versions of the mod packs. Now this what's great about this is that these mod packs are actually the authors actually authorized the people from the Curse to distribute these mod packs. So all of this is actually legal. So don't worry about those things. Also, you're gonna notice these. These are just the same thing as categorizes them. So you see here it says extra large, Feed the Beast, magic, and tech. So basically, if I go to extra large, these are all the extra large mod packs. Feed the Beast, all the Feed the Beast mod packs. Magic based mods. Right. So if this is categorized as any one of these, when you go through the categories, it's going to appear. Right. I'm gonna go for a light mod. My computer is not very good, so yeah. I'm just gonna install this one. Just put right there, and it's gonna start installing. You might get this problem where like you start installing something, it just goes straight to right there. You can just go back to here, and this is just downloading the mod pack. You know, it's doing all the work that most launchers do. I also have those launchers, but I don't really use them that much. The AT launcher, Technic launcher. Just because there are some mod packs that are not in this, because the mod author doesn't let Curse distribute those mod packs, or doesn't know. But either way, yeah. So I'm gonna wait until this is done. I'll come back. Alright, you guys, we're back. Once it's done, it's gonna show you this thing just saying that the mod pack has been installed, and you can start playing it. That's alright. So once you're done, it's gonna show you this, and this just basically gives you simple information, the version number, the version of this mod pack, and when was the last time you played. You could just put play, or you could just tap anywhere on this box, and it's gonna go right here. Right here, um, you can see you could go through all the mod packs that you have installed in your Curse launcher. I have all of these. You probably, if the first time, you're gonna have just one, or how many ever you installed. So, right, media, I'm not really sure what this does. I haven't really played with it. This takes you to the website of the mod pack. So if the author has a website for this mod pack, it's just gonna take you right there. Get more content. I'm gonna show you what this does later. And right here, you could delete the profile, open the folder of where where the mod pack is at, and profile options. I'll also show you what this does later on. But alright, now let me show you just these tabs right here. Overview, this is basically the same thing you see before installing a mod pack. When you click on it, it just gives you an overview and you install it. So this is the same thing. Installed mods, these are all the mods that are installed in this mod pack. So you could go over it. As you can see, it gives you the name, the author, and the file. So it's basically like what version usually. So resource packs, there might be a few mod packs that have a resource packs already. There might be mod packs that already have a map, but in case you want to download a map, you could download a map. So basically now you just put play, and it's gonna start, right? So BRB, maybe not, right? So once you put play, the first time you start any mod pack, it's gonna start you with the basic Minecraft uh, launcher thing, right? So let me open Minecraft right here, right? So let's just wait for it. Hopefully it's gonna open real soon, right? So here's the vanilla Minecraft, right? So this is regular vanilla. Right. So it's gonna bring you to this, right? When the first time you launch this, you put play for this, it's gonna bring this thing up. So you're gonna log in, put your username or address and password, and you're just gonna log in, right? And it's gonna bring you to the same tab it brings you every time. So, right, right now we're here, and this basically makes a whole new Minecraft. I'm sorry for that. Right, so usually when you see, you could change between each version or in the regular Minecraft, right here. As you can see, it makes a whole new thing with the forged version. So you just put play and it's gonna start. I'll be right back when um, the whole thing starts. Alright, you guys, we're back. Um, so now we're right here. You know all these tabs already. As I have said already, again, my computer is not very good, and I usually have to change the settings. I usually do it like this: put it eye chunks, fan maximum. Clouds, I usually turn them off, depending, I don't like bobbing, so I always turn it off. The guide scale, I usually put it normal like that, and yeah, you know all these tabs already, so I don't really have to go through this. So let's make, okay, the sound is killing me. Let me turn off the sound. There. Right, so I usually just, I don't like that sound. Right, so we're just gonna make a new world. I'm just gonna put in creative just to show you guys the things. Alright, so we're gonna make it. My computer takes a while to make a world, so I'll be right back when everything's loaded in, and so it doesn't give me any problems. Alright, you guys, we're back. So let me just do the basic stuff. You know the drill. Um, so okay. Uh, so this is the mod pack. You know, start with the tree and one grass. It has other mods, you know. So yeah, this is basically how you install any mod pack that the Curse Launcher has. I'm gonna show you a few other things that this launcher allows you to do. So we're just gonna quit from right here. Right, so now I'm gonna show you the tabs right here. Right, so if you're anything like me or like my computer, uh, you might want to add a few mods, or you know, for whatever reason you might want to add a mod. I usually add Optifine because my computer is not very good at it, so I usually just put, you know, add it. So most of the mod packs that you download from the launcher come like this, and you can't usually add mods like this. You could open the folder, you know, and go to your mods. Where is it? Mods, and drag the file, you know. Actually, I'm gonna do it right now. So you could drag the file, you know. Drag the file. It's right there, you know. We close this. You could do that, but that's not always guaranteed it's gonna be there. Let me refresh it. Let's see if it shows right here. It should show, but sometimes it doesn't. So yeah, see, it doesn't show, but it's probably gonna be still be there. So um, right, you could again delete the profile, open the folder, and um, you could add mods via the Curse Launcher. But in order to do that, you need to unlock the mod pack, because right now it's locked. So you put profile, and it gives you the name. You could change the name if you want to. And it gives you a warning. Unlocking a mod pack will allow you to make changes. You could corrupt your saves. So if you do this, you might want to save your world, you know, just in case anything happens. So right now you can't do anything to it. So in order to so you could do any changes, you have to put right here. Once you're done, you just put OK, and it's gonna bring you to this. Now I'm gonna show you what each new thing does. So you remember seeing this, and that, right? So this is new. With this basically switches the mod pack on and off. So you can switch it off to disable it, and turn it back on to enable it. Alright, so now this arrows, these are just to update the mod to the latest version. As you can see, if you tap on one, it's gonna give you the information of that mod. So the overview, changelog, and version. So this is the current version that this mod pack has. If you put update, it's gonna uninstall this one and install this one. So remember the warning that it gave you right here? There are times where a new version of a mod is not compatible with another version of the of a different mod. So you might actually run the mod pack, and when you launch it, it's probably gonna crash or do something else. But if it works, that's awesome for you. But yeah, let's add a mod. Uh, let's see what mod could we add. All right, so to add a mod, you put add mod, and you can search it right here. These are the mods that the mod pack already has. So let's just go through and see what we can install. So these are mods that have been installed already. So let's say you want Botania, which in the Skyworld, I don't think it would make sense, but let's just do it. So okay, you just put install. I'm gonna show you later more about this, but just put install. It's gonna start downloading. Depending on your computer, it might take a while. So yeah, once it's done, it's gonna say installed. You go back, and it should be right here, Botania. Right? You can just go right there. You can just put play. If it works, great. If it doesn't, yeah. So we're gonna try it. If it works, then I'll be back at the starting screen. If it doesn't, then I'll show you the crash, I guess. Right? Alright guys, so I'm back. So we just had a problem with the current mod we installed. Botania requires another mod called Bubbles, and you need to exit Minecraft and install that mod. So I'll exit out, install it, and I'll be back. Alright you guys, we're back. Remember I put the Optifine mod, so you can see it right here, Optifine version and all this stuff. So just so you can see I'm not lying, there are all these additional tabs. You know, I'm not gonna go through this. You should already know this, but alright. So you could go to your mods and you could see, let's look for Botania. See here's Bubbles, Botania. My graphics card is not updated, as I've said before, so it just shows white. Bubbles, the other mod that Botania requires. So right, we're gonna put single, and we're gonna go right there. Right, so I'm gonna show you that the mod is installed. This might actually be a bad mod pack to show you that the mod has been installed, but I'll show you right now. Right, so we're here, and here are the creative things. So these are all the creative tabs. I usually don't like that. I usually like there. So okay, Paralogistics. Remember all the mods that I showed you in the Curse launcher right here. Remember all these mods? They are in here as well. And there is Botania. See? So now you have Britannia in your mod pack, and yeah, there's also bubbles. Alright, you guys, I paused the recording because I had to do a few things, but as you can see, that's how you could add mods to mod packs if you so choose to. Now I'm gonna show you another thing. Okay, so let's say the mod doesn't work, or you want to take it off, right? So see this X removes from profile. That means it's gonna delete the mod pack. So just put right there, and it deletes it. So bubbles, and there, that's it. So you deleted, well, those mods, and in order to lock it again, just put right there, and then you put OK, and it's locked, so you can't change anything. You could go through to see information about the mods, but you can't change it or do anything to it. Alright, so I showed you this. Now, if you want to make your own mod pack, you could also do that with this. Just click where it says custom profile. Alright, and then just name your mod pack. I'm just gonna do something random. Let's call it blah, or I don't know. Right, and then right here you choose your Minecraft version. This is the latest version. I don't think there are any mods in that. Most mods right now are in 1.7.10. So just put it right there. Put it right there. And this is gonna give you the recommended Forgecraft or the mod loader. You could change which one you want, but I recommend doing the one that recommends you. Now you just put OK, and it's gonna download everything you need. It does not download Minecraft right here because Mojang has an issue with that. So yeah, the downloading of Minecraft happens uh, later on. Okay, yeah, it can. What messed up? Right. So it's gonna take you immediately and take you to this. If you back, can take you back to this, and right, so go back in here. And now right here, it doesn't give you the description because there's no description. You just made it right now. So right here, installed mod packs, installed resource pack. It doesn't say installed, but this is where resource packs are downloaded, and maps as well. So in all three, you're gonna notice this where it says get mods, get resource packs, and get map. So right here, you just have to put get mods, and it's gonna bring you to this. I have to pause the recording. I'll be right back right now. So, alright guys, we're back. Now when you put that, it's gonna bring you straight to mods. You don't have to. You could go right here where it says get content, and it's gonna bring you to this, and it just has these tabs. You know, if you do it from right here, it's gonna bring you directly to the tab for mods. So now once you're right here, you could click on any mod. Again, you could search your mod, the mod that you want, and the categories. There are all these categories. You could go through them. You could sort the mods. I usually just leave it like that because I know most of the mods that I like. Again, it has the same tabs as the other one, except um, each category, armor, mods that have things with armors, uh, mods that have mobs in them, processing mobs like um, thermodynamics or thermal expansion, which has grinders and all these things. Technology, basically the same thing. Map and information. This is just kind of like NEI kind of a thing where it shows you just things like recipes or things about the world. Just information. It doesn't really add like blocks or an item. But it's some of these. If you know them, then that's cool. You could click on them, and it's gonna give you an overview of the mod. There are some links and threads to either like the website, the thread, whatever link you see, it's gonna take you to right there. And also, all of these mod packs that you see here are actually legal, meaning that the mod author has let the curse, the people that own curse, distribute these mods. So any change logs, any versions, let's say you want a different version, you can click right here. For an older version, if you want the latest version, right here. But usually when you put install, it installs the latest version, right? So it's downloaded, see, it installed the latest version. So another thing that's cool about this is that, as you might have seen in with the mod the mod pack that I installed Botania with, you needed um, Bubbles, the another mod, uh, in order to run Botania. This launcher, when you download mods, it will actually download the other mod that's necessary to run this mod. It doesn't do it all the time, so you're gonna have to be careful. So just look up for that. Like, for example, NEI. Um, just same thing, but if you know about NEI, you also need the Code Chicken Core mod in order to run NEI. So, like, if you see, I'm gonna put install, and it's gonna download this as well. So there it is. See, it downloaded both mods. And for maps, you could also do the same thing. You could search for maps if you know what maps there is, and there's also categories for each map. So just play with it. Resource packs, the same thing. Each tab, like category, there's mod support. That means that this texture pack has textures for mods as well. I'm not gonna do it right now, but right, once you're right here, you could put play. Right, basically the same thing as the other ones. Play, that. See, I made a new Minecraft folder. Um, so I'll be back when I'm at the start. Alright guys, we're back. Uh, let's see if the mod's installed. So Forge usually always has these three. So whenever you actually made a mod pack, whatever, even if you don't add anything else, it will always have these three. So as you can see, NEI is right here, the Code Chicken Course right here, Mantle, which is needed for this mod, and this, right? So that's it. You could play. It's creative, and right there. So we're gonna make one right here, and yeah, I just show you that everything downloaded right. Of course, when you make your own mod pack, some mods again are not compatible with the other types of mods, so you might get some issues. I usually, when I have that, I try to find which mod is not compatible with the rest of the mods, and I usually take it off. So here we are. It's downloading. It's up in inventory. Yeah. So let's go. So all of this is NEI. You guys know this. You know, mods, mantle. It just basically adds the book. It also shows you the Minecraft tab, which just shows you just Minecraft items and blocks and no mods. Um, you guys should already know about NEI. If you don't, I'll probably do a spotlight on a few mods. So here's Tinker's Construct. You know, and everything works. Let me just do something. Or you know what? No, I don't have to. So yeah, that's basically it. I'm gonna put everything you need, the links down there. So yeah. See you guys later. Any questions? Put them in the comment section. If I can, I will try to answer them. If I can't, then sorry. But yeah, until next time, yeah.